Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 3.18. This question is related to chore and police question, or we can say this question is related to police and thief. Clear? In this question we will utilize the concept of relative motion. So now we are going to discuss this question concentrated on a screen. A policeman moving on a highway with a speed of 30 km per hour fires a bullet at thief's car. Clear? So let's suppose if I draw here a diagram, I can draw diagram like this. Let's suppose this is a given situation. Let's suppose this is a ground. Clear? In this question given, a policeman moving with a highway at a speed of 30 km per hour. Clear? So let's suppose this is ground, or we can say highway, and let's suppose this is policeman. Clear? Let's suppose this is policeman. Clear? This policeman is moving with a speed of 30 km per hour. Clear? So in this question it is given to you, this is velocity of a police car with respect to ground, and we can say this is 30 km per hour. Yes or no? Clear? Okay. Actually I am writing here just magnitude. Clear? So this is velocity of a police car with respect to ground. Clear? Okay. It fires a bullet at a thief's car. So let's suppose here a policeman fires a bullet from this car. Clear? Let's suppose thief car is going here in this direction. This is thief car. Clear? And in this question it is given a thief car is speeding away in the same direction with a speed of 192 km per hour. So we can say velocity of thief car with respect to ground. Clear? So this is given to you 192 km per hour. Clear? Whenever it is given velocity of a thief car, it means this is with reference to a ground. Clear? So this is given to you. Okay. If muzzle speed of a bullet, what is the meaning of muzzle speed? Clear? Muzzle speed means we can say velocity of a bullet with respect to policeman. Yes or no? So we can say velocity of a bullet with respect to policeman. This is given to you, and this value given 150 meter per second. 150 meter per second. Clear? Okay. So what speed does the bullet hit the thief's car? Clear? So it means our objective in this question is to calculate velocity of bullet with respect to thief car. Clear? Our objective is this one. Clear to everyone? So now we can write what speed does the bullet hit thief car. Clear? Objective is clear to you. So now how we will solve this question? So always keep in mind what is your objective. Our objective in this question is to calculate velocity of bullet with respect to thief car. We can write like this: velocity of bullet with respect to ground minus velocity of thief with respect to ground. Clear? Now you can say velocity of thief with respect to ground we know. Clear? Now velocity of bullet with respect to ground we have to find. Clear? So how can we find? Let's suppose we are giving this is equation number 1. Clear? We can write like this: velocity of bullet with respect to policeman. This is equal to, or we can say velocity of bullet with respect to ground minus velocity of police with respect to ground. Clear? So from here we can write like this: velocity of bullet with respect to ground, this is equal to velocity of bullet with respect to police plus velocity of police with respect to ground. Clear? So velocity of bullet with respect to police. Clear? This is given to you 150 meter per second, and this bullet is going in this direction. So we are assuming this direction as positive x-axis. Clear? This direction is positive x-axis. Clear? So we can write like this: this is equal to 150 meter per second. So this is 150 IK plus velocity of police with respect to ground 30 km per hour in right direction. So we can say this is 30 into 5 by 18, and this is IK. Yes or no? First we convert this kilometer per hour in meter per second. Clear? Now our objective, now we will put this value of velocity of bullet with respect to ground in this equation number 1. Clear? So how can we write? We can write like this: velocity of bullet with respect to thief car, this is given by velocity of bullet with respect to ground. We can write this is 150 IK plus 30 into 5 by 18 IK. Clear? This is given. This is IK. Clear? Now velocity of thief with respect to ground, we know this is 192 km per hour. So we can say this is minus 192 into 5 by 18, and we can write also like this, this is I cap, because thief is also going in the same direction. Clear? So from here we can see, we can easily calculate velocity of bullet with respect to thief car. What is meaning? Meaning is very simple. When this bullet embedded in this thief car, what is the speed? Clear? So now we can see velocity of bullet with respect to thief. This is given by, we can see 150 I cap plus, clear? If we take here common 5 by 18, clear? This is I cap. So now we can write like this, this is 30 minus 192. Clear to you? So this is equal to 150 I cap plus 5 by 18 I cap, and we can say this is minus 162. Clear to you? So we can say this is equal to 8. Clear? So we can write like this, 150 I cap minus, we can say this is 40, yes, we can say this is 8, no, we can say 18, we can say this is what, 9, yes, 9 times. Clear? So from here we can write this is 45 I cap. Yes or no? So from here we can say 150 minus 45, this is equal to 105 I cap. Clear? So actually we are getting here velocity of bullet with respect to thief. Clear? Thief means velocity of bullet with respect to thief car. Clear? Here magnitude is what, 105 meter per second, and what is direction? Direction is the direction that we assumed here. It means along the positive axis direction. Clear to you? So this is all about this question. So what is our objective in this question? Is to calculate speed with which the bullet hit the thief car. So speed is what? It is the magnitude of a velocity. So we can write our answer. Answer of this question, we have velocity of bullet with respect to thief car. This is, we can see, magnitude of velocity, this is 105 meter per second. So this is correct answer. Clear to everyone?